Hey guys, Michael down here in Texas. Just wanted to do a quick little video on my super basic, super effective solar charging setup. I got the RichSolar 160 watt polycrystalline panel here for Christmas. Obviously I don't have any kind of super legit system mounted on the house or anything, but I've been flying RC planes for years, so I've had this Powerlab 8 charger, and the input voltage on this guy, let's see if we can get this to focus, 10 to 32 volts DC. This solar panel maximum voltage is around 22 volts, so she falls right into the required voltage input range. So right now I've got the solar panel hooked up straight to the charger. See if I can get this to focus. DC power supply, so this is showing the input, getting 21.5 volts and 4.2 amps out of the solar panel right now. It's kind of gradually fallen since I started the charge cycle. Started off around 5 amps, but I think it has something to do with like it not being like an MPPT charger. Like, it's not obviously made for solar panels, but it does work. So yeah, it's early January here in Texas. The most wattage I've ever seen out of this panel is about 130 watts. So maybe, I guess, more towards the middle of the summer, maybe the wattage will bump up and it'll get closer to 160. But the awesome part, what we have going on here is have the charger hooked up to these SPIM08HP batteries from Battery Hookup. They're like super cheap compared to what you can buy brand new. These are the 8 amp hour LiPo cells. I watched Jehu's video on how to wire them up. Went with the little grommets you can kind of see here. So attach the cells together in series with those, and then soldered on the main discharge leads to the grommets as well. So yeah, thanks Jehu for those very informative videos. I initially tried soldering straight to the tabs, but I couldn't get the solder to wet very well at all. So these little grommets make like a perfect, point to solder to. Like, the solder wets to the grommets really easily. So I have 2 packs here that I made. They are each of them are 7S packs. So 7S 8 amp hours. I have them just hooked up in parallel here, running to the charger. I bought a parallel balance harness here and just have that wired straight into the charger as well. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of show you guys a different option for solar charging. I haven't purchased a dedicated solar charger DC to DC converter yet. Probably will in the future, but just wanted to kind of show you guys an option for simple kind of charging LiPo batteries. And with a charger like this, you can charge multiple different chemistries and voltages. So I don't know, I was just super pumped about having like a solar setup to where if something does happen, power goes out, whatever, I can at least still capture some energy, get to charging. Also, I have ran these on my e-bike. So I hooked them up in series, 2 of them in series, so it was basically a 48 volt pack, and the bike performed pretty well. And it was great because that also enabled regenerative braking. Like, it's a 48 volt pack, so it was super awesome. Loving these batteries so far. Don't have many cycles on them yet, so we'll see kind of how they hold up. But yeah, just wanted to kind of show you guys my simple little balance charging setup. Let's see, showing 2.48 amps going into the 7S pack. So that's 2.5 now, 2.5 amps at 27 volts. Coming in from the solar panel, 21.3 volts at 3.5 amps. So yeah, like I said, that has fallen since I started it. And it seems like if I go ahead and restart the charge cycle, it'll kind of bump back up to close to 5, a little over 5 amps. And sometimes it'll hold at the higher current coming in from the solar panel, and sometimes it just kind of drops. But anyways, we'll figure that out. Just wanted to kind of show you guys what we had going on here. If you have any questions or anything, hit me up. I struggled with getting these packs built. Initially I was trying rivets and just soldering directly to the tabs, like I said, but this grommet approach really, I mean, it worked out well. It didn't take long at all. Got it down to probably about a couple hours, like 2 hours to build a pack. After I built a few, about 6 total. But anyways, yeah guys, just wanted to show you guys another option for solar charging. All right, bye. So yeah, I just wanted to grab another quick little video of the charger running. I just reset it, restarted the charge cycle a couple minutes ago. Now we're showing 21.2 volts, 5.7 amps. That's coming from the solar panel. And then going into the battery, we've got 3.72 amps at 27.28-ish volts. So yeah, we can do some math there, figure out the efficiency of the charger, you know, how much power we're actually getting into the battery. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of show you guys the higher wattage current coming out of the solar panel here. And this one hasn't really fallen much yet. So yeah, it's like the initial charge cycle, current will start off about where it's at here, and then it'll just start gradually falling. I just restarted it, and now it seems to be holding the current up a little higher, a little better, a little longer. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. Get these packs charged up, go run the e-bike, or get to charging some other LiPo batteries, or you know, some USB power banks, or whatever we want really. So all right guys, see you later.